coming to the IGD event because it's probably the biggest event where you get all of the retailers and all of the major suppliers together, and it is the place where you can kind of learn the most. I think you see some really inspirational presentations, and you get a great opportunity to network with friends and colleagues.
The networking aspect is one of the key reasons why I come here. I think it's set up really nicely for the networking aspect, and it's something I really enjoy and get a lot of value from. Massive e-commerce players here in the UK, so really valuable sessions from the retailers, but also from other CPG organisations.